Hello everyone, welcome back to Stitch and Kai Curation. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this stylish crossbody bag for men in another style. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and give your thoughts in the comment section below. Now let's get started. So this is the fashion leather material I'll be using to make the crossbody bag. And the measurements for the main body is 9 inches wide by 7 inches length. After that, I'll cut the edges of the main body, the top and the bottom. Then I cut out the extra pockets for the front. And the measurement is 6 inches length by 9.5 inches wide. I cut out lining and zipper for it. The measurement of the zip cloth is 7.5 inches. Then I cut out the 2 zipper stopper and the measurement is 2 by 2 inches. For the zipper, I've inserted the zipper mouth to it. Then I take the zipper stopper, I fold it into 2 to indicate the midpoint out. After that, I'll be adding gum to the both zipper stopper. I'll fold each side to the middle this way. I use the gum because of the easy folding. Then I'll fold the second one also. I will let it dry a little bit before joining it to the zipper. I'll take the zipper, I'll put it at the middle of the zipper stopper and fold it with it. Then I'll place it under the machine for stitching. I'll repeat the same process to the other side. And that is how to join the zipper stopper to the zipper. I trim out the edges of the zipper stopper, the essence that remain. I'll fold the zipper into 2 and notch the midpoint of both sides. I'll also take the extra pocket, I'll fold it into 2 and notch the midpoint. Then I'll take the zipper, I'll place it on the extra pocket, right side facing each other and stitch it together. Make sure the midpoint of both rhyme with each other before stitching. Now I'll take the lining I cut out, place it on it and stitch it down together. So I'm stitching the lining on it. I'll turn the lining over this way. Then I'll place it under the machine and top stitch it. So I'm done sewing it. It's not very easy for me when sewing it. I had to place the paper on it for easy sewing. I'll be top stitching it now but in different way. From the top of the extra pocket, I measure is 0.7 inches. Let me turn it to the back side for easy explanation. So from the top to that line, I measure is 0.7 inches. Then I use biro to rule the line out. So you can see the line I rule out in the front. Now I'll fold it from the line of 0.7 inches. Then I'll place it under the machine for top stitching. So based on the extra pocket of how the front of the bag is, that is how to use the leather to cover the zipper. Now I will stitch it round together with lining. After that, I will take out the main body. From the top to that line, I will measure 2 inches and rule the line out. And from 2 inches, I will measure another 0.5 inches and rule the line out. Then I will take the main body, I will fold it into 2 and try to use the biro to indicate the midpoint at the middle. Then I will take the pocket. Don't forget I've notched the midpoint of the zipper. So I've placed the extra pocket on the main body starting from the line of 0.5 inches. Now I will start stitching it together. After that, I will be joining the extra pocket and the front together starting from the line of the 2 inches I indicate out earlier. I will stitch it both together like that. I'll come to the other side also and stitch it same way like the first one. After that, now I will join the rest round. And that is how to make the front of the stylish crossbody bag for men in another different style. After joining both together, I trim out the excess leather that remain. Cut out lining for it to cover the back side. Then I cut out small cord wrap to cover the start and stop of the cord. And this is the cord I will be sewing on it. So I've cut out the back side of the stylish crossbody bag. I use the front to cut out the back side by pressing it on the leather. Use the biro to trace it with it and cut it out. I also cut out lining for it and small cord wrap to cover the start and stop of the cord of it. Now I'm done sewing the cord on the two main body. And we have come to the end of the video of part 1 on how to make the front and the back panel of the stylish crossbody bag for men. If you have really enjoyed watching the video and you learned something from it, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and give your thoughts in the comment section below. See you in part 2. Bye.